If you want to see your total brilliant moves in chess.com, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find that stat on the web version of chess.com step by step, so you can quickly check your all-time brilliant move count without guessing or clicking around forever. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple chess.com guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open chess.com in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left sidebar and find the train section. This is where chess.com keeps a lot of your improvement tools and performance insights. Now hover your mouse over train. When you do that, a menu should appear with more options. From that menu, click on Insights. This will take you to your personal chess.com Insights page, where you can review different stats about your games and move quality. After the Insights page loads, scroll down until you reach the Move Quality section. This section breaks down how your moves are categorized, and this is where the stat we want is located. Look for the Brilliant category. Next to Brilliant, you'll see a number, and that number is your total all-time brilliant moves on chess.com. That's the full count of brilliant moves your account has recorded. So if you've been improving and finding tactical shots, this is the place where chess.com tracks them for you. If you don't see it right away, just keep scrolling slowly and make sure you're in the correct move quality section, because that's the key area to check. And that's it. Once you find the Brilliant category, you've successfully found your total brilliant moves on chess.com. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now you can check your progress anytime you want. If this video helped, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next chess.com tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.